Alright, today we're taking out the front end. This is one side. We're going to tear this rear end out today. Craig's going to tear the whole front end apart. He's got one side apart right now. Working on the other side here. Let's see. Had a little mishap. Went a little too high with the lift. The other side's still all together. So we'll see how far we get. This thing has some rust problems. I'm not looking forward to taking this off. We're good, nothing. Well, everything's rusty. This is what we do. This probably need to be replaced anyways.
Why don't you just cut off?
Brake lines.
Oh.
Alright, so instead of taking these off here, I'm going to take these guys off and then drop the whole other end.